We are Xiaomi global distributor. We make B2B global trading business. We accept global sending sample orders. If you like the phone, you can place us the order directly. This is Oneplus6T, a flagship smartphone of OnePlus in 2018. It is a hot seller. It is a 6.4-inch optical and LED display, 19.5 to 9 radio, 402 ppi density. The display resolution is 2340 pixels by 1080 pixels. 6th generation Corning Gorilla glasses. Its operating system is Android 9.0 operating system. Its CPU is Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 octa-core, 2.8 GHz. It supports dual nano SIM card. It doesn't support micro SD card. Memory storage have 128 GB ROM, 8 GB, 6 GB RAM, 8 GB RAM or 256 GB ROM, 8 GB RAM. Its front camera is 16 megapixel. Its main camera are dual cameras, 16 megapixel f1.7 aperture, 20 megapixel f1.7 aperture. Its battery built-in is 3700 mAh battery built-in. Supports 20 watt fast battery charging. It supports fingerprint under the display, NFC, GPS, AGPS, GLONASS, BDS, Galileo, Bluetooth 5.0. The phone have red color and black color. A very high device smartphone. Let's test its camera. We can see it details the quality of the photo. All Google applications. And supports multi-language menus. Here are all the language menus it supports. Okay, let's continue to check what included in the color box. This is color box. One piece Type-C headphone adapter. One piece Type-C cable. One piece fast charger. 20 watt fast charger. We will have Europe adapter, UK adapter, and Australian adapter for your market need. One piece silicone case. Here are the menu, a Japan menu, warranty certificate. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you like the phone, you can place us the order directly. We can make it global sending. If you want to make B2B business of OnePlus smartphones and Xiaomi smartphones, you can contact with us.